Motor runs like brand new, which it should. Wheels on this truck. Wheels on this truck. It's like $16,000. It has special hubs underneath the wheels. I don't think you can see them in this. You might be able to. It's a 10-bolt wheel. Truck is not actually clean right now, not show clean. But if you look at the paint, it's black cherry. You can see the red shining in it. Big speakers in the doors. You got to be able to see them better on this side. Dashboard is trimmed up in the purple. Like I said, seats are like brand new. Back door, front door. Has big amps behind the seats. Back in this part. Wood is all done on the inside of the bed in hardwood. There you might be able to see the red cherry showing through it right there in the sunlight. You see the red coming out of it. It looks really, really pretty in the sun like this. Shows up really nice. Wheels had special hubs put on all four wheels. The wheels don't have a curb mark or nothing on them. The tires are all great on it. I don't know if you can see the back end, but if you can read the back end, it has the name of the truck in the back end of it. Look real close, you'll see an F-R-E-N-Z and a big Y on the end of it right there. I had the truck for probably a month before I even noticed it. It's put that well hidden in the paint. Actually, I don't know what else to show you. Front end setting down just a little bit lower than where it rides right now. The back end rides just about right there. Front end's down just a little bit more. Carries about 10 more pounds of air in the front. Rides good. Pulls good if you put a hitch in a trailer. I pulled a car with a trailer on it. Aluminum trailer and a car on it before. And it pulls pretty nice. No drains, no marks. Nothing underneath the doors. No rust on the truck at all. Underneath the truck looks like brand new. Got one little scratch right here that I've never touched up. Looks like a little scrape mark. Not scrape from somebody scraping it, but scrape from something dragging on, like maybe there was a cover with a button on it or something. Bumpers and everything are like new on it. Truck runs out great. Runs really great. There you can see the red shining in the sun right there. Shows a lot of red in the sun on it when you check. And the blue on the front of it shows a lot of purple in it when it's in the sunlight. actually a blue, but it's purple. But the real flames on it, whoever done them really knew what they were doing. For sale. I've got to get rid of it. I dropped the price of $23,000 the other day. So call Terry 304-215-2209. That's 304-215-2209.